Hey everyone, Anna here from the For Real YouTube channel. Ever wondered how to remove a blacklisted IMEI from your phone? Maybe you've tried different services or software, only to end up frustrated. Well, today I'm going to show you multiple ways to get that blacklisted IMEI off your device, whether it's an iPhone, Samsung, or any other Android phone. Forget those sketchy services. There's a way better, safer, and free alternative that's quicker and guaranteed to work. Stick around and let's get your phone back in action. Remember, this info is for responsible use only. It's for people who own their device but have forgotten their access info. We don't support or encourage illegal actions like bypassing security on stolen devices. Please respect the law and others' rights. Our video follows YouTube's guidelines and community standards. Now, let's continue. All right, so let's talk about some services out there for removing a blacklisted IMEI. You've probably come across various options, and it can be tough to know which one to trust. First up, there's Unlock Here's AI-powered unlocking web app. This is the best, free, most up-to-date, and fastest solution out there. Then there's Safe Unlocks, which has a great reputation and only costs $1. Lastly, we have ESN Doctor, which specializes in IMEI Blacklist Removal. Now, while these services are excellent, we're here to show you a better, safer, and quicker way to get that blacklist off your device. In the next step, we'll dive into how to use Unlock Here's AI Unlocking Assistant to help remove the blacklist. So, to start the process, go to your browser on your phone or computer and type in unlockhere.com. This will take you to the website to remove the blacklist from your IMEI. You'll see Nifty, the AI-powered tool developed by the Unlock Here team. Scroll down a bit and choose the Fix IMEI Blacklist option. Next, complete the steps on the app. Start by selecting the brand of your device. All major and medium-sized brands are compatible with the app. Select yours and click on the Next button. Now enter your IMEI or serial number. If you need help, there's a tutorial on the app. Just dial #*06# on your phone, and a pop-up will show your device's information, including the IMEI number. To complete your application, provide your name and email address as a point of contact. Make sure to comply with all the app's terms and conditions. If you have questions, check the available resources for more information. Once your request is processed, you will receive an email with the details of your unlock. This usually takes 5-15 minutes. Be sure to check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it in your inbox. To confirm your order and activate it, copy your verification code from the email. Click on Confirm My Order. Paste the code on the page, complete the CAPTCHA, and press Validate Info and start Unlock. And that's it. Nifty, the AI-powered tool, does the heavy lifting from here. The final step is to simply insert a compatible SIM card and restart your device. This process is just a few steps, and before you know it, you'll have successfully removed the blacklist IMEI from your device using unlockhere.com. If you encounter any issues, you can chat with our live support for help. Please note that the unlock services only work in first world countries. If you can't access these services, or prefer not to use them, we offer 250 unlocks every week for our viewers. To enter, simply like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment your phone model, your IMEI number, and your country. You'll be automatically entered once you complete these steps. All right, guys, here are some more alternative ways to remove an IMEI blacklist from your device. First, you can contact the carrier. Reach out to the carrier that blacklisted your device and explain your situation. They have the authority to remove your device from the blacklist. Next, provide proof of ownership. This could be a receipt or any document showing you are the legitimate owner of the device. Showing this proof to the carrier or authority that blacklisted the IMEI can help resolve the issue. If your device was reported lost or stolen and you've recovered it, inform the carrier. Report resolution can lead to the carrier removing your device from the blacklist. Also, make sure to check the IMEI status regularly. Sometimes blacklists are updated and devices are removed for various reasons. Use online IMEI status checkers to monitor your device's status. Lastly, if your device was wrongfully blacklisted and you can't resolve the issue through the carrier, consulting a legal professional might be an option. This step should be considered as a last resort due to potential costs and time involved. Thanks for watching. If this worked for you or if you have any other questions, please comment below. Remember, the unlock services only work in first world countries. If you can't access these services or don't want to use them, we offer 250 unlocks every week for our viewers. To enter, simply like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment your phone model, your IMEI number, and your country. You'll be automatically entered once you complete these steps. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.